Hi. It's a cousin, Teddy. He's a waiter. He's single, and he likes rock music.
It's my brother, Eddie. He's a doctor. He's got a wife and 2 kids, and he likes classical music. How about this one?
I don't know. A cousin?
No.
It's a brother?
No!
An uncle?
It's my Aunt Judy!
Sorry, Miss Morris. She looks like uncle.
Tell me something about her.
She's an architect.
Artist.
Married.
Divorced.
2 kids. 3 kids. 5 kids.
No kids! Only 8 more. Here's an email.
I don't know.
It's my father!
I know who the father is. Why are you showing me photos of the father?
My family is coming in 1 hour. Now pay attention.
Why do you have such a large family?
It's not that large.
Not that large. You have 6 brothers and sisters, 14 aunts and uncles. Who knows how many cousins, nieces and nephews? I say that's a large family.
They're not all coming over.
No, it's dinner.
I'm sorry, honey. I just want them to like you. Calm down. It's okay. You're doing fine.
Okay, I'm okay. So cousin John?
Oh!